Okay guys, today we're going to be comparing rational numbers. And what that really means is given two numbers, we want to figure out which one is the larger number. So we're going to be using less than, greater than, or equal. And we're going to compare two numbers. Start off simple. The numbers 2 and 5, both these are rational numbers. They can be written as fractions. We know which one is the larger number. Well, hopefully you all know that 5 is the larger number. So when deciding which symbol to use, since 5 is the larger number, the larger part, the larger side of the symbol is going to go towards the 5, and the small side of the symbol is going to go to the 2. So 2 is the small number, so the small side of the symbol goes towards the 2, and the large side goes towards the 5. So 5 is greater than 2, or 2 is less than 5. Now let's try one with some negatives in there. What about negative 1 and negative 7? Well, if we have a number line, put 0 right here, and we're going negative, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7. If negative 7 is right here, and negative 1 is right here, on a number line, the larger numbers are to the right of the number line. So in this case, negative 1 is the larger number. So it should be negative 1 is greater than negative 7. Notice the large part of the symbol is towards the negative 1, and the small part of the symbol is towards the negative 7. Right, this should just be review. Today I want to focus on comparing fractions. So we're going to compare the two fractions 7/12 and 8/18. They have different denominators, so we can't just say, oh, 7 is less than 8. That's not how it works. What we need to do is we need to cross multiply to determine which symbol to use. So the first thing I want to do is I'm going to do 18 times 7. I'm going to cross multiply, start with the denominator, and multiply by the other fraction's numerator. So I'm going to do 18 times 7. 8 times 7 is 56. 7 times 1 is 7. Plus 5 is 12. So this is 126. And over here on the side, I'm going to write 126. I'm going to do the same thing with the other two numbers. 12 times 8. Start with the denominator. 12 times 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 1 is 9, so I get 96, and I'm going to write a 96 here. Now, instead of comparing these two fractions, I can compare these two numbers, their cross products, and 126 is the larger number, so the symbol I'm going to use, I'm going to say 7/12 is greater than 8/18. Because this is the larger cross product. And we're going to do one more example. This time we're going to compare two negative fractions. We have negative 4/5 and negative 8/9. We're going to do it the same way. We're going to cross multiply. So 9 times negative 4, or just 9 times 4. 9 times 4 is 36. And so instead of 36, because this is negative, I'm going to write a negative 36. And then we're going to do 5 times 8. 5 times 8 is 40. And because one of them is negative, I'm going to write negative 40. Now I'm comparing negative 36 and negative 40. Because these are negative, a smaller negative number is actually more. So in this case, negative 4/5. Negative 4/5 is greater than negative 8/9. Because negative 36 is further to the right on the number line than negative 40. Right?